How to fix WhatsApp login not available right now. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today in this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix WhatsApp login not available right now problem on iPhone. So let's get started without wasting any time. Solution 1. Offload the WhatsApp app. To offload the app, first open the Settings app on your iOS device. On the Settings menu, swipe down and tap General. Then swipe down and tap iPhone Storage. On the iPhone Storage page, swipe down and find WhatsApp and tap on it to open the app details. On the Apps Details page, tap Offload App. Now a confirmation pop-up will appear. Tap Offload App again to confirm. Now wait for a while and then reinstall your WhatsApp application by clicking on Reinstall App. Solution 2. Contact with WhatsApp support team. If your problem is not resolved despite trying this solution, then you can contact the WhatsApp support team once. To do this, first go to the Safari browser on your device. After entering the Safari browser, now type WhatsApp contact in the search bar. Now many websites will appear in front of you. You have to click on the first website, Contact WhatsApp. On this website, click on Contact Us under WhatsApp Messenger Support. Now an appeal form will appear in front of you. In it, first select your country code. Then enter your mobile number with which you are having trouble. Now enter your email address. Then re-enter the same email address. Now scroll down and select your device. After doing this, now express your problem in this box that you are facing. So guys, if you want, you can copy and send this note from your iPhone. After that, tap on next step. Now scroll down and tap on send question. Your question has been sent. Thanks for contacting us. We will get back to you by email. It may take up to 3 business days.